Hello children, today we are going to start class 6 subject GK chapter number 3 World's Amazing Animals. Before starting with the chapter, just write today's date, that is 22 October 2020. Okay children, now animals are the most amazing creatures. We are always fascinated by the nature. There are various varieties of animals all over the world. Now, what are the animals? They are the most amazing creatures. We all are fascinated by the nature. We all like nature. There are various varieties of animals in all over the world. So here we are going to read about some animals and we are going to write the names of those animals by reading the description given in your textbook. Okay. Picture and descriptions of some amazing animals are given below. Identify and write the names of with the help of the hint box. Now, here is the hint box. From this hint box, we have to write the names of these animals. This is the biggest animal without a backbone. It has 8 arms and 2 tentacles. Now, it is the biggest animal. He doesn't have the backbone. We all have the backbone, but this animal, he don't have the backbone, and it has the 8 arms and 2 tentacles. So what is the name of this animal? That is the squid. Write the spelling SQUID, squid. Second one, the only female mammal that temporarily changes sex. It is a cat-like carnivorous mammal. Now, which carnivorous mammal she is? It is the female fossa. Write the spelling FEMALE, female, FOSSA, fossa. Third one, this animal is often called the nature's engineer. It builds dams across streams. Now, this is the animal which is known as the nature's engineer. Why it is called the nature's engineer? Because it just builds the dams across the small water bodies or the streams. What is the name of this animal? It is beaver. Okay, so write the spelling BEAVER, beaver. Okay. Fourth one, this smart furry mammal with big eyes lives only in the island of Madagascar. Now, this is the smart furry mammal. It has a big eyes and it lives only on the island of Madagascar. So, what is the name of this animal? It is lemur. LEMUR, lemur. Okay. This is the world's biggest snake. It lives in the swampy grounds of the Amazon basin. Now, this is the world's biggest snake, and where it lives? In the swampy grounds of the Amazon basin. So, what is the name of this snake? It is anaconda. Write the spelling ANACONDA, anaconda. Sixth one, this is world's most poisonous bird. Its feathers and skin contain powerful poison. So this is the bird and it is the world's poisonous bird. It has poison in its skin and the feathers. So what is the name of this bird? It is the hooded pitoy. So write the spelling HOODED, hooded, PITOHUI, pitoy. Okay. Seventh one, this big lizard can catch deer and goats and swallow them whole. So this is the big lizard, and which animal it catches? Deer, goats, and it just swallow the whole animal. Okay, so what is the name of this animal? It is Komodo dragon. So write the spelling KOMODO, Komodo dragon, DRAGON. Eighth one, this rare mammal lives in the bamboo forest of China. You all know this animal. This is the panda. So write PANDA, panda. Ninth one, these fish have adapted their gills to hold water when out of the sea and have pectoral fins into walking aid to live on mud. Now these fishes, they have the gills to hold the water, and when they are out of the sea, they have the pectoral fins Okay, so they can just walk on the mud. So what is the name of this fish? It is the mud skipper. Mudskipper. Mud skipper. So children, you have to do chapter number 3, World's Amazing Animals, on page number 7 of class 6. So write now very beautiful handwriting and complete your work. Thank you.